Welcome to the 37th video in the series, Foundations of Communist Organizing. Today we'll be going over the 1948 piece by the ICP, The Party Program, which I have subtitled, Autonomous Internationalism Against Bourgeois Co-optation. The class party is a necessary instrument for the revolution, and it contains the most advanced parts of the proletariat, unifying and generalizing struggle for the revolution. It educates and agitates amongst the proletariat, prepares material means of action for distribution at the decisive moment while acting as general staff of the revolution, ensures historical continuity and links the national proletariat with the international communist movement. It rejects engagement with non-communist parties on the basis of the extreme organization of the bourgeois state post-World War II, as the nationalism and ability of the bourgeoisie to force worker organizations to support their imperialist wars has made it clear we need an international party, which has complete autonomy from existing political and military power, which is capable of rekindling national class struggles everywhere. And that is the end of the summary of the ICP's The Party Program. As usual, if you'd like to go over the quotations I derived this summary from, you can go into the description below and you'll find a link to this Google Doc and you can read it for yourself. If you would like to join the United Marxist Pact Discord server, also linked there, we would love to talk about this or any other text that is in this series, or beyond that for that matter. Thank you for joining us for today's topical summary. Tomorrow's piece will be the 1950 ICP Appeal for the Movement's International Reorganization. We hope to see you then.